Let's talk about this push for buying electric vehicles and how somehow they call it the anti-inflation act or whatever, when what they're doing is they're subsidizing the electric vehicle market. They're trying to incentivize people to buy electric vehicles, and they expect that the manufacturers are just going to allow the consumer to reap those benefits. Okay. It's supply and demand, dummies. Okay. You got more people chasing fewer products.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. You've got more people chasing fewer products. So what's going to happen? It's already happening.
Yeah.
They said that the MSRP for this new electric vehicle was going to be from, I'm just going to pick a number, $10,000. It's going to start at $10,000. Oh, you mean the government is going to give that customer $6,000 off? Okay. You know what? Cost of product went up, inflation. Yeah. So the MSRP for this vehicle is $17,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Because the market will pay 10. That's what the market says that vehicle is worth. So, and that's what makes them buy that vehicle. It's worth a little bit more than the ICE engine today because there's fewer of them, right? So you think the manufacturers are going to give that money away back to the consumer? Yeah. I was born yesterday.